You might have heard about video marketing a couple of times online, but if you are an entrepreneur trying to grow your business or whatever it may be, you are watching this video because you already know that video marketing is one of the most important strategic steps you have to take in order to start seeing results that you want for your business. Hi everyone, I'm Lynn Panetti from Dawn Media Productions. I have been an entrepreneur for over 10 years now and have established a business of my own called Outsourcing Angel that lets me earn a 7-figure income. And one of the most important factors that has contributed to my success is my effective video marketing strategy that I have incorporated into my marketing plan. So what really is video marketing? Video marketing is a process by which business owners and brands produce video content to introduce themselves, their services, broaden their customer base, increase leads, and eventually get more sales. This can be done through different social platforms such as Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and even on your own website. When video marketing is done properly, it has been proven that it can bring massive benefits to both B2B and B2C companies. So how do you start with video marketing? To start, you need to create your own video marketing strategy. There is no one-size-fits-all strategy. Through experimenting, you will have to find out specific key aspects that work for you. Your video marketing strategy will ultimately be what guides you: your budget, your timelines, your production processes, your conversion metrics, and more. So getting this written down and finalized should be step one of your video creation process. You can also choose to create content on your own, or you can bring in others to do it for you. For example, you can use creators, influencers, agencies, or ambassadors to help promote your products or services. It really depends on your budget and campaign goals. Now, if you're struggling with coming up with a video marketing strategy, you can follow our basic video marketing strategy guide from our previous video, which I'll be linking down in the description box below. This video gives a general guideline to get started specifically here on YouTube. But no business is the same. If you want a specific video marketing strategy for your business, there are video marketing agencies that can help you come up with a tailored fit strategy with the help of experts. This can also promote accountability on your part because there will be periodical check-ins to analyze your progress and modify the strategic plan according to what works for your channel and business. Now in this video, we will focus more on the reasons why investing in video marketing is a worthwhile venture for your business. Before we start with reason number 1, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any free video tips like this in the future to help your business scale and grow. With all of that out of the way, let's get on with the 4 important reasons why you need video marketing for your business. Reason number 1 is it promotes awareness. As a new business online, it's normal that people aren't interested in you yet because they don't know about you. But publishing videos is the bridge that links what you say to who you really are, allowing customers to get to know your brand. Brand awareness is a key influencer in the sales process. Not only should customers know your name, but your customers need to know that your brand image is aligned with their values. The best way to do that today is with video marketing that enhances your plain text content marketing strategy. Not only does your audience need to be aware of you and your brand, you can also make your target audience aware of a problem or issue they are currently facing. Because of this, you can make the viewer consider how he or she will solve the problem they're faced with. They're researching, asking for recommendations, watching product reviews, and trying to find cost-effective solutions. That's how you address their pain points with your service or product. Videos can also make a great way of introducing products or services through educational and engaging content that greatly influence the buying decisions of the target audience. The reality is that your audience doesn't have the time to read lengthy text explaining your value proposition, but a short upbeat video can do that and more. Viewers' attention span has decreased over the years as more video sharing platforms are introduced in the market. This makes me go to reason number 2. Reason number 2 is video marketing allows you to tell your stories. Storytelling lays the foundation of your brand's marketing efforts. It allows you to reach out and connect with customers by telling and showing them who you are and what your brand is all about. Using videos, you can convey your personality and create a memorable impression on your audience. How you choose to portray your company and the story behind it is how customers will position it in their mind. If you aren't creating video, you risk missing out on one of the most popular ways that people consume content. Companies need many things to thrive: visionary leadership, a compelling offering, exceptional service, and much more. But in today's noisy marketing landscape, what your brand really needs is a story. Stories make for better marketing because they elicit emotion. Viewers always love hearing stories. Video helps you connect with your audience. Viewers love authenticity and connection. So today, so much of a company's marketing efforts are designed to help build trust. In telling a story, you have to personify your brand, show how it started, the behind the scenes, the struggles, not only the successes. Viewers today are most likely to engage with content that shows reality where they can connect easily with. This builds trust between your business and its viewers. Trust is the foundation of conversions and sales. The whole goal of video marketing is based on trust and creating long-term relationships. When you start providing your target audience with interesting and useful information through storytelling, you won't even have to sales talk them because they will come to you. But you also have to take note that, yes, the goal of your videos is to tell a story and engage your customers, but from a marketing perspective, your videos must also align with your sales funnel. What is the purpose of each video? Who is the audience? How does the video further your marketing goals? The bottom line, overall strategy, and data should drive your video marketing strategy. Which brings us to reason number 3. Reason number 3 is that you can generate more leads for your business. Vision is our most dominant sense. Most important transmitted to our brain is visual. So if pictures on different social media platforms can already boost engagement massively, imagine what moving pictures can do for your business. In addition to that, videos boost information retention. If your customers hear something, they're likely to retain about 10% of that information 3 days later. By contrast, if what they hear is accompanied by relevant imagery, they'll retain an average of 65% of that information 3 days later. Also, most of the time when individuals search for content, they would rather watch a video explaining a concept or showing a product in use. Honestly, this is true for me. When I need to learn about something, I literally hop in on YouTube or TikTok immediately for that information. For example, what is the best sunscreen at the moment? What is the best long-wearing lipstick for Valentine's Day? I do a quick video search for all those seemingly simple questions. But it says a lot about how uploading videos for your business can massively expand your customer base. Not only does video marketing enable you to expand the reach of your business, but you can also tap into a wider market by simply uploading videos that are easy to share across all social platforms, helping them to achieve virality faster. This way you can access more people or potential clients that actually need your products or services. Having more leads almost automatically translates to more sales, and that's what you want for your business. Through video marketing, you can also focus on your target market's problem. This is your customer's pain point. Make them aware of it, and then you can create a video explaining why your product or services can address or solve that problem. This will be how you introduce your product or service and encourage them to buy or avail of it. Before I tell you the last and most important reason why video marketing for your business is important, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure that the bell notifications are enabled so you won't miss any of these kinds of videos in the future. Now for reason number 4. Reason number 4 is that video marketing helps your business with Google SEO. SEO or search engine optimization is one of the most important key factors that gets your website online to obtain organic traffic. In fact, big companies are hiring SEO experts and spending thousands of dollars monthly just to make sure that their business is SEO friendly online. This is because SEO friendly sites are pushed higher in search results. And as an online consumer, have you even clicked on the second page of Google search results? Because I know I haven't. This is the main reason why ranking higher on Google SEO is such a big deal. To get on that page 1 search results, now that's the goal. Now there's a whole other world when it comes to SEO, and there's a lot of aspects that wouldn't fit in an hour of video if I wanted to talk about it. But let's focus on how video marketing contributes to a better SEO ranking for your business. Video ranks higher in online searches with 62% of Google universal searches including video. This means more people will be exposed to your video than they would of any articles. In addition to this, by incorporating different types of videos on your website, these videos allow you to increase the time spent by visitors on your site. Thus, longer exposure builds trust and signals search engines that your site has good content. This means it can have a great impact on improving your SEO or search engine optimization and helps you rank higher on search lists and recommended pages. Video marketing is actually an SEO goldmine, helping build backlinks to your site, boosting likes and shares, which can affect search rankings and driving traffic to your site. Here at Dawn Media Productions, we understand how to make an effective YouTube marketing strategy for business owners and content creators. We have experts with years of experience who can help you and your business create and follow through a personalized strategy that will help you start getting the results that you want. More views, more subscribers, more leads, and more sales. You can simply visit dawnmediaproductions.com by clicking the link above or in the description box below to get started and get the help you need. Now, for more tips on growing your business and similar content like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a like. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.